This is printing absolutely amazing, amazing. I mean it. This printer, Creality CR10 Pro V2 with the Creality slicer is worth every single penny. Mashallah. It's absolutely beautiful. Working perfect. Look at this satisfying printing in progress. This is going to be the winglets for my S800 wing. This winglet is going to weigh only 15 grams. The original design, which I have already printed with no editing, is this one, and it weighs 28 grams, about 26 grams, which in my opinion is too heavy for a winglet. So 26 is 52 grams just for the winglets. So I wanted to make, and this is very rigid, very strong, and I wanted to make half the width of this winglet and design the grid in such a way so it doesn't lose any of its rigidity, and but it should lose half of its weight, and I have almost managed to achieve that. This is going to be 15 grams only, and I hope it's going to be as close rigid to the original winglets, if not 100% rigid like the original one, somehow so close to the rigidity of the original winglets, because the original is way too rigid anyway. If it does lose a little bit of rigidity, say if it's 85 or 90% as rigid of the original, that, or 80% rigid of the original, that's still okay, it's still good, still will work perfect as a winglet for the S800 wing. And also going to be weighing 15 grams only according to the slicer of the Creality, and it has done about 63% of the printing. Once the printing is done, finished, I will check the weight and the rigidity and put it in the description of my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.